Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Bitiwend radio signal forwarding wireless extension set for our doorbells and Gong forwarding, with one radio converter and one socket receiver for an existing bell system. The installation transmission is 3 up to 24 voltage AC/DC. That means you can install it easily on your Gong and bell system at home. It's easy and quickly. It's integrated into an existing bell system easily. The Bitiwend radio transmitter for electromechanical and mechanical bells and chimes are possible to install easy going, baby. The marked cable plus and minus do not have to be distinguished between positive and negative poles and are therefore easy to install. The wireless bell receiver with 433 MHz plus minus 40 kHz connects to the transmitter in the open field range of up to 200 meters of range. Of course, indoor it's not so much, but indoor I think it's 50 meters. But this is only approximately. With this wireless chime here, we can choose our favorite melody from 58 different polyphonic bell melodies and change them as you like. The volume can be adjusted to 5 levels from 0 up to 110 decibel. The connections are possible from 3 up to 24 volt AC/DC doorbell systems. The power supply via the bell transformator or mechanical bell are possible. That means we does not need extra energy supply for it. And it's easy. This new wireless doorbell uses advanced technology to make sure detecting the signals more accurate. They dedicate to improve our living quality and simply our lifestyle as development direction. They have been committed to research and develop more high quality and competitive products. This wireless transmitter here and the plug-in receiver has a 100 meter up to 200 meter of range in open area. It is great for multiple places including home, apartment, office, etc. And it's a plug-in receiver. That means the receiver has an LED indicator on the front side, 3 buttons on the side, an up button, a down button and volume button. And 2 buttons means volume button and music button. The AC plug and the speaker are on the back side. When we connect the transmitter to the doorbell circuit, the LED will light up while we use our doorbell. That's easy to control. You have to use the doorbell button. Okay, you have the doorbell button installed in your house, for example. And if you push there, it makes ding dong or something else. Then you open your Gong supply unit, and there you will see 2 wires, okay? And on each wire, we have to connect one of the cable of the Bitiwend radio signal forwarding wireless suspension set for doorbells. You can melt it, you can press it, you can use a screw for it or something else. And then job's done. The receiving working voltage is for AC 100 volt up to 240. The sound pressure level is 110 decibel maximum. The received AC power consumption is 0.25 watt in standby mode. The barking frequency is 433.92 megahertz. The pushing temperature minus 20 degrees up to 60 degrees Celsius. The range is up to 200 meter in open range, and the transmission working voltage is 3 up to 24 volt. We plug the receiver into the outlet. The receiver will perform better if kept away from electrical equipment like television or microwave ovens. Then we connect the transmitter to the wire or to the positive and negative terminals of the doorbell wires. We can then sound volume control. We press the volume control button on the receiver to recycle through the 5 volumes, including mute. we select our favorite ringtone before pairing. We long press the volume button for 5 seconds until a ding dong is heard and the LED indicator starts flashing. And then we can starting with that set here. The transmitter button, we can see if there is a dong, if the button on the dong is pushed, it will be shown an LED indicator and of course the sound. To reset it, we press the down button for 5 seconds to reset the receiver to the default settings. When the receiver sounds the ding dong with the LED flashing, that means that the reset was successful. Then we can follow the instruction of installation again, and we can pair it with another Bitiwend radio signal forwarding wireless extension set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.